I'm Eric Polley at ericpolley.com. We have 80 seconds to crop and resize a video in Premiere Pro. So let's hop into Premiere and let's drag and drop a video into our timeline. Let's go to Premiere. Let's see. I'm looking with the workspace effects. If you want to see what I'm seeing, let's go to this effects tab here down to transform. And we want to drag and drop crop right onto that video clip. Now that'll open up our effects controller, and we want to go down to the crop effects. You can drag these or actually input the amount of crop that you would like to place on that video. With that, you can now move it around as much as you would like, and you have a cropped video in your scene. I've been Eric Polley. You've been you. Keep doing that, and I'll see you on the next video.